I love the look of candlesticks in glass jars or bottles, and I also love to collect interesting bottles to make candlestick holders from. I've already used some apple juice jars from the dollar store, the Marzetti apple juice, and they're in these interesting little half jars that have this apple leaf print on it. And I've also made one using one of the teddy bear honey plastic bottles. There's the apple juice jar. And for this project, I'm actually going to use one of my nostalgic original New York seltzer glass bottles to turn into a candlestick, because I'm obviously not throwing those away. And I'm using a red candle for the cola seltzer because it has a red label. And later I'm going to get another 2-pack of candles that are white to go with the orange and the root beer. This taper candle was actually too large to fit straight in, so I'm having to use a box cutter to cut it just at the point where it gets wide enough but not too wide to fit into the jar. And I'm working here right next to the wax burner that's in our bedroom, because I know that you can probably use hot glue to glue the candlestick to the bottom of the glass, but I love to use the leftover wax when it's got little to no smell left, and that way I can just also use something else, recycling it. And I'm using a funnel that me and my cousin use when we make other candles. And once I pour the wax in, I just stick the candlestick in and let it adhere to the hot wax that's inside, and it's really quick. That way you can also have a little bit of scent, and if you also want to add more scent, you can rub some essential oils on the candle, or even pour some in the bottom. And I know this is a really easy craft, probably really foolproof, but I just wanted to share what I like to use to make candlesticks, decorative candlesticks, so that when I want to work by candlelight, or even just an emergency candle that you can carry around, and that way the bottle protects your hands and your floors from dripping wax on them. So I hope you enjoyed this easy, simple DIY craft. You can make these into gifts or just use them as decorative candle holders around your house. Thank you so much for watching, Gypsies. Thank you. Bye-bye.